Look at that, so cute. And makeup, so beautiful. And my dress now, my dress is it. We are at the shoot location. Because I'm in my new house, literally.
Yeah.
You said it?
Yes.
Okay, hi guys, welcome to this house. Actually, today we have a shoot with Empower. If you don't know Empower, because Empower, they have the best watches and the best jewelry in town, like literally legit jewelry. So I'm gonna plug you guys. I'm gonna put you on and show you their pieces, at least for the watches for today. And then you can follow them on Instagram, okay? So we are here because of them, courtesy of Empower for their shoots. But first, this is the crib you're going to be shooting the content from, literally, and it's so beautiful. I want to bring you guys along with me. So this is the entrance where I am, like from the door. This is the entrance, and then you come to the kitchen area. This kitchen area is so beautiful, gorgeous, dream house. Literally, everything is to perfection. From the counters are made of marble, and it's white marble, white and gray. So the house aesthetic is white and gray. And then now from there, we have the sink area. We have very cute drawers for their stuff. You know, literally so beautiful. And then here we have the oven and the cooker. So good. Like making my man some food would be so nice. Whatever. Yep, so I was going to worship Panyumba, and then the fridge has a lot of food. Guys, you can shiver. Look at that. My lord. All that food for one person. Okay, 5 people. And then, literally, there's so much. Okay, so here.
Big laundry.
My voice.
Let's try.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the laundry area. They have the TCL washing machine, the water, water running 24/7.
Yeah.
Like, guys, this house is so cute. And then now we have the living room. We have the living room area. They have green chandeliers. The lighting is so perfect, so beautiful. Literally, this is the couch. It is brown in color. This matches the aesthetic of these colors, right? The brown is as well. And then now the TV area with the Wi-Fi. We have the password already. The TV is going to be bringing the mood in the house. Great finishing at the top right here. Look at this aesthetic, guys. So beautiful. You have to smoke it or have already for you. So if you have smoking in the house, you know, like it's gonna ring. And then the curtains are the white kind of sheer curtains, very beautiful. The outside, guys, the outside, look at that. There's a chilling area right here. There's a balcony. I want to open, but there's a balcony there. This house is beautiful. This house is Rodamaina's house, dream house. Okay.
Amen.
So now we come to the bathroom. Okay, not the bathroom, actually the washroom. Okay, there's nothing interesting in the bathroom, in the whatever. So now to the master bedroom.
Yeah. Hi. Oh.
Welcome to my master bedroom. To come to someone's bedroom, you must be so special. So this is such a beautiful, cozy bed, like literally a 6x6 bed. So cozy. I love white sheets. Look at how they're matching the aesthetics. Gray and the browns and the whites. Going in so well, so perfectly. They have another mini light there, so beautiful. And also, now, from that side of the bed, from there now you can see this area. I love their sockets, their switches, because their switches, they've made them to be very custom made, the very high-end, classy ones. They look so nice. And then also drawers, they're gray. They have a lot of storage. Oh my God, look at that, a lot of storage. So beautiful. We're gonna be hanging our clothes there as we change. I love that. Wow! 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 Look at the curtains. Look at these curtains. Guys, get curtains as match your aesthetic because you're going to love them. This is great. They look so nice. And these ones are the long curtains. They make your house look super big. So if you want a tip for your house, get big long curtains. And then now to the last area. To the bathroom.
Yeah.
Literally. Vibes. Okay? We also have another washroom here. Like the main washroom is right there. We have another washroom here. And the bathroom here. We have the 2 shower heads. Like you can use this one, you know, and shower. Feels so nice. We have this place that you can store your shower gels and stuff. Hey, my lord, this is beautiful. I think that is it for the house. And this is Rhoda. And this is Rhoda. So lovely to meet her finally. We love it here. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys through today. I hope you love it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right, we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get
The Kassan is so beautiful.
down. Julio made me Fulvio, and I might hit your phone up when I all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs.
I am ready for the shoot. This is how I look. This hair is a bob. It's giving. I can use them all. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. And makeup. So beautiful. And my dress now. My dress is it. Look at that. So cute. Wow. Let's get into shooting. I am super excited.
And that damn down Julio made me Fulvio, and I might hit your phone up with the rah. Missing my da, missing that And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and not shit. You a damn drug, yo. Toxic. Problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always caught in your dramatics, all in your acrobatics. You know I want to stay. Tell me to throw it back. And that damn Don Julio made me Fulvio, and I still hit your phone up with the rah. Missing my da, missing that All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and not shit. You a damn drug, yo. Toxic.
This is a sample of one of them. So cute, so pretty, and it comes with a bracelet as well. I forgot to take the samples and they were here. Yeah, so beautiful. The packaging is cute.
What are your last words for us today, for the day?
Good morning. Come out to Rhoda.
Okay.
We are done with the shoot. We are off to go home. Such a wonderful shoot. This was my shoot buddy today and she delivered. Bro, when I show you the photos, you will know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, honey. She's my namesake, actually. If you've not subscribed to her channel, honey, you're missing out on a lot. So it's home time. Let us go. The Uber is here. We'll see you guys later tomorrow.
I've come after the shoot. I'm now at Carrefour. I want to do some really minor shopping. Some shopping actually, and then I go home. So first, let me pick sodas first. And then I can get more snacks and some stuff that I need. My lord, I wonder. My lord, I'm so tired. Which one is which one? 2 liter? 2 liter. Is it that one really? You don't have the other one? They don't have it? The selling is a value pack.